Hi Kara, we missed you today at school. We hope you're feeling better soon and can join us again when you're ready. I thought I would record this short video so that you would be able to keep up with us in math class. Please feel free to pause and take a breather as you need it. Today's lesson was about positional words. Positional words are words that tell us where we can find things. So some examples of positional words are above and below and to the right and to the left. So as a class, we got together and we made a big list of all the different words that we could think of that worked as positional words. So I'm going to pause the video now and I'm going to enter in a short little screen that will show you all of the words that we put together on our list.
The positional words that we found were behind, in front of, above, below, on top of, beside, next to, right, left, under, between, in, out, and through.
Okay, now that you're back again, I thought I would give you a better example of how we can use some of these positional words with a little example. So if you can tell, I have some dots here on the board. And for this example, we're only going to talk about the red dots. We could talk about the blue dots, but for right now, we're just going to talk about the red ones. So if we go all the way to this side, we're going to talk about the red dot. In this example, the red dot is above the blue dot. In this example, the red dot is to the right of the blue dot. In this example, the red dot is to the left of the blue dot. In this example, the red dot is below the blue dot. And in this one, the red dot is in between the two blue dots.
Why don't we pause a minute so you can show an adult how well you know some of your new positional words.
Now that we have a better idea of what positional words are, we're going to take a second and we're going to pull up some big pictures, and it'll be on your whole screen here in a second. And we're going to stop and look at each picture, and as we look at each picture, we're going to see if we can describe some of the objects in the picture using these positional words that we just learned.
This picture is called the Little Blue House. Can you tell me anything about the picture that you see? What about the rainbow? The bird? The tree? Here's our second picture. Ahoy, mates! What can you tell me about this picture? Can you tell me anything about the ship? The parrot? What are the pirates doing? This is our last picture, the big bug hunt. See if you can tell an adult what you see in this picture using the positional words that we just learned.
Well, you did great on that one. So, just as a note of review to close out our lesson, I want to go over the list of all the positional words that we just learned. So these words were above, below, on top, under, right, beside, left, in front of, between, in, out, and through. That is quite a list. We closed out today's lesson by working with our Unifix cubes and some drawing practice. So you should have a copy of that worksheet at home in your take-home folder. It should look something like this, and it has two sides. Feel free to have an adult read the clues to you in each box, and when you get the chance to bring it back into school, you can send it with a sibling or just bring it in when you're back and you're healthy. We hope to see you back at school soon, Kara. See ya.